Hi, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Today I'm bringing you a LinkedIn tip that involves how to upload media into your profile. I was messaging back and forth with someone on LinkedIn today, and we were discussing his profile photo and the fact that he's using a group photo in there, and he explained the reason he'd like to use that, and I suggested he move that group photo to the media section of his profile, and he said, "What's that?" So I'm filming this video so that he can have the benefit of seeing where the media section is on his profile, but also for all of you, if you're curious about using the media section, how you use it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm looking here at my profile on LinkedIn, and I'm going to scroll down to a section of your profile that's referred to as About. And underneath this section, you're going to see several icons that appear here, and this is the media, the first media section you see on your profile. Now I'm also going to scroll down and show you that in your experience section you can also include media, and I've done that in each of my experience sections as well. You can see here that some of these are photos as indicated by the photo icon. Others are documents, which you can see a document icon next to it. And then I've also included videos, which you can see as a video icon, and even a website link. You can see that icon in here. So to upload media into your profile, what I recommend is that you consider putting the top profile media up in your About section, because these are highly visible even on mobile. So what you would do to upload media is click on that pencil icon next to your About symbol, and then scroll down and you can see this section right underneath the summary. It's called Media, and it says here you can add or link to external documents, photos, sites, videos, and presentations. And if you were to click on this little icon that says supported formats, it's going to take you to a page on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn's going to explain here are the types of media that you can upload to your profile. You can upload PDFs, you can upload documents or PowerPoints, you can upload JPEGs, PNG, those are picture files, GIFs. It doesn't support animations. So there's a couple different types of media that you can upload into your profile. Or if you choose to do so instead, you can upload a link, and that link can be to a file or to a video. So perhaps you have a YouTube channel. Maybe there's a playlist or a specific video you'd like to upload. Maybe you'd like to point people to a blog that sits on your website. Think about the things that are really high profile visibility for you that help to demonstrate your expertise, your passion, what you do for a living, how you're using LinkedIn. Those are the types of media that I would upload to your profile. And you're going to notice when you add these in, it's the last one that you've added in is going to be sitting at the left position. So unfortunately you can't move these around. You have to upload them in the order in which you want them to be previewed. So you can see here, this is a section that I added into my LinkedIn profile, into the media section. And this is actually a link that I am pointing to. And I added a title and a description in there so you get a sense of what that is. So once I close out of here, if I were to click on that link, you can see that there's a view button. You can see it's a link because I can see the link icon there. When I click on view, it's going to point me to wherever I've indicated I want this to point to. And in this case, I've pointed this to a blog on my website. So that's just one example of how you would point to an external link, and page is not loading here. I'm going to refresh my page. There we go. And you can see how it's pointing to that external link where people can then read about the blog there on LinkedIn. So that's it. That's how you upload media into your profile. Again, just clicking on that pencil icon, and you can click on upload to upload pictures, or you can click on link to add to external links, and then you would just simply click on save to save that information into your profile. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you do find this video helpful, I would love it if you could give it a comment below. If you're seeing this video on social media, do take a moment to add a comment there and tag Brenda Meller or Meller Marketing, and I'll leave you a comment back. And also we'll take a look at your LinkedIn profile if it's on LinkedIn where you're leaving this comment. Thanks again, guys, and have a wonderful day.